Good morning, students. Today we are going to start 10th lesson Diet and Nutrition. People across the globe are consuming various food that are rich in nutrients and can help to improve their immune system against the coronavirus pandemic. Good nutrition is an important part of living a healthy lifestyle combined with physical activity. A balanced diet can help due to rich nutrients and maintain a healthy weight and reduce chronic diseases and promote your overall health. So eat healthy and stay healthy. Let's start question answers. Diet and nutrition are very important during our growing up years. Check how much you know about them. In health box, iron, calcium and phosphorus, vitamin C, red blood cell, nutrients, pineapple juice, calories, vitamin A and C. These words are given. First, we eat tomatoes because it is a rich source of dash. Answer: vitamin C. Vitamin C means ascorbic acid is water soluble vitamin. It is strong antioxidant. It is important for skin, bones and connective tissue. It promotes healing and helps the body absorb iron. Oranges, lemons, these are also good source of vitamin C. Second, carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, fats and vitamins that are required for our growth and energy are commonly known as dash. Answer: nutrients. Nutrients are compound in food essential to life and health, providing us with energy, the building blocks for repair and growth, the substances necessary to regulate chemical process. Nutrients are macronutrients and micronutrients. Micronutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats are eaten in large amounts. Micronutrients such as vitamins and minerals needed in smaller amounts. Third, bones and teeth are made brittle by the absence of dash and dash. Answer: calcium and phosphorus. Milk, cheese, yogurt and other dairy products, beans, dark green vegetables are rich source of calcium. Taking vitamin D will help your body to absorb calcium better. Rickets is a disorder that can develop due to lack of vitamin D, calcium or phosphate. Fourth, people who feel uncomfortable after meals due to dyspepsia can get relief by taking dash. Answer: pineapple juice. Fresh pineapple juice is sometimes recommended for people who suffer from indigestion as a result of a low production of stomach acid. The bromelain in the juice is thought to aid the digestive process by helping to break down proteins, while also soothing inflammation in the stomach. Fifth, energy from food measured in terms of heat units is called dash. Answer: calories. The calories counted for dietary reason are in fact kilocalories, with the kilo prefix omitted. In scientific notations, a capitalized calorie is used. In other words, if a peach is listed as having 40 calories, this indicates that peach has actually 40,000 calories. Sixth, spinach is a rich source of dash. Answer: iron. Iron is an essential nutrient that plays an important role in many bodily functions. A diet lacking in iron can result in low energy levels, shortness of breath, headaches, irritability, dizziness, or anemia. 7th, Vitamin B12 and folic acid are required by the body to make dash. Answer: red blood cell. Red blood cell means RBC carry fresh oxygen throughout the body. This is important to your health. RBC are made in the bone marrow. They typically live for about 120 days and then they die. Foods rich in iron help you maintain healthy red blood cells. Vitamin B2, B12, and B3 found in foods such as eggs, whole grains, and bananas. Folate found in fortified cereals, dried beans and lentils, orange juice, and green leafy vegetables. Diseases of the red blood cells include many types of anemia. 8. Night blindness is caused by the deficiency of dash. Answer: vitamin A. Vitamin A, also called retinol, plays a role in transforming nerve impulses into images in the retina. The retina is a light sensitive area in the back of your eye. People who have pancreatic insufficiency, such as individuals with cystic fibrosis, have difficulty in absorbing fat and are at a greater risk of having vitamin A deficiency because vitamin A is fat soluble. This puts them at greater risk for developing night blindness. Ninth, mango is a rich source of vitamins dash and dash. Answer: A and C. Mango is a low-calorie fruit that is high in fiber. It also contains folate, B6, iron, and a little calcium, zinc, and vitamin E. Mangoes are a good source of antioxidants. All cells require vitamin A and C for growth, including the skin and hair, and some studies suggest that it may offer potential protective effects against the sign of aging. Do you know, students, potato, the most common vegetable across the world, was introduced in Europe from South America as an ornamental plant, that is for decoration and not as a vegetable. Students, we have completed 10th lesson. Now it's fun quiz time. Students, you have to identify this diagram. Yes, what is the name of the diagram? It is food pyramid. Identify this diagram. It is My Plate. My Plate replaces the familiar food pyramid diagram. My Plate is the current nutrition guide published by the United States Department of Agriculture. Students, we are completed 10th lesson, diet and nutrition. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, eat healthy and stay healthy.